It's like, and she was like mad that she was keeping the secret. Your dad is a streamer, and you didn't tell me. I was like, oh, okay. Uh, is she on Twitch? He says no, but her boyfriend is, and she knows Twitch, and so this girl is not even a Christian. I don't believe she's a Christian. Uh, but she thinks it's cool that I'm drawing a comic book, no matter what the subject. So it's like, yes, exactly. It's cool. Everybody knows it's cool. Even the non-Christians know it's cool. Korean pork bento. I see a theme here. I think you've had that before. I actually have the same lunch every single day. Except for today, because we ran out, but I had to be creative. I have the same salad every single... Yes, page 23 of 24. That's right. Then we get to color it. So I added some detail here. Still don't have a head on this guy. I still have not come up with that character, the head for that character yet. I'm gonna hydrate, hold on. That was my last. I better not need any more hydration or else I have to leave the stream. So I'm gonna wait. I don't think I have this. I don't have these lines correct for pulling off that jacket. I don't think it looks how it's supposed to look. So I'm gonna wait for that. This panel is just about finished, except for that head. Let's see. And this panel, the rocks are just about finished. So I need to work on the robe. I don't think the robe is scientifically gravitationally correct. Also, well, he does need a head. And a lot has to be done here. So that is the plan for the rest of the page. Page 23. Let's see what day it is. What's going on today? What's going on? What's going on? Where do I tap? Here I tap. That's where I usually tap. What's going on? What's going on? What's going on? Today is Tuesday, December 19th, 2023. Not only is it December 19th, 2023, it is also Oatmeal Muffin Day. Alright, Oatmeal Muffin Day. Not only is it Oatmeal Muffin Day, it is also Hard Candy Day. Get your fiber and your hard sugar right here, today. Not only is it Hard Candy Day, it's also... That is everything. That's it. Okay, well, it's a very uneventful day. I mean, unless you like oatmeal muffins and hard candy. Okay, well, that's all that there's special today. Okay, I guess we'll talk about something else for the rest of the day, the rest of the stream. Judah. Let's get Judah's head. That is a man's head. That is a man's head. trivia points if you know what movie I'm quoting from. Okay. And all right, I'm gonna be right back. Gotta get something. All right, so here we go. So, 'tis the season for the winter and the cold and putting on your heat. And I don't know what it is about that, but I think it's my neighbors who use oil heat or kerosene. And the longer that I stay in the basement, the more I get a headache. So I had to go get some ibuprofen. So hopefully I won't have to cut the stream short. At least that's my guess as to what is causing the headache.